Contributing water tanks to schools in need. Clean and safe drinking water is a fundamental right that every child should have access to, and we believe that it is crucial for us to support communities that we do business in. We are not only ensuring that students have access to clean drinking water, but also encouraging a healthier and more productive learning environment.
It is good for us to look at the positive side of these rains, and the partnership, and this partnership epitomizes it. And the water harvested here will go a long way to supporting children in the beneficiary schools.
Shabiki.com has continuously showed a commitment to positively impacting the areas in which they operate, specifically in the Kenya jurisdiction. And today we gather to recognize and celebrate their most recent corporate social responsibility initiative,